Is your Tesla Powerwall 3 failing to send excess solar energy back to the grid? This is a common issue, especially in early installations. The primary reason is incorrect grid export settings. The Powerwall 3 needs to be configured for bidirectional export, allowing it to send excess energy back to the grid. Check your Tesla app for export mode settings. Another common cause is misaligned current transformers, or CT clamps. These sensors measure grid current and must be installed on the grid-side wires with correct polarity. Misalignment can prevent export by confusing the system. Finally, conflicts with utility-imposed export limits can block export. Utilities often set caps like 5 to 10 kilowatts to prevent grid overload. Check your local utility policies and ensure your system complies. First, ensure your Powerwall 3's grid export settings are correctly configured within the Tesla app. Outdated firmware can also cause export issues. Tesla has released several updates, notably versions 2024.44.31 and 2025.2.1, that address grid compatibility and error handling. Update your Powerwall to the latest version through the app. These updates have resolved over 80% of reported issues. CT clamps are crucial for measuring current flow and determining when to export energy. A current transformer uses a magnetic core and windings to sense current without direct electrical contact. They must be installed on the grid-side wires between your utility meter and the Powerwall, with the arrow pointing towards the grid. Misalignment or incorrect placement can prevent export by causing incorrect current measurements. Use the Tesla app or installer tools to guide you in repositioning the CTs for accurate current sensing. DIY attempts have a 15% failure rate, so consider professional help. Many utilities impose strict limits on how much energy homeowners can export to the grid, typically ranging from 5 to 10 kilowatts. These caps help maintain grid stability and prevent overloads during peak times. Without proper handling, your Powerwall 3 might be unable to export excess solar energy beyond these limits. Fortunately, the Powerwall 3 includes a utility limit override feature. This allows you to bypass certain export caps, but only after verification with your local utility. The system ensures compliance with safety regulations while enabling full export capabilities when permitted. To use the override feature, start by contacting your local utility company. Discuss their specific export policies, required documentation, and whether an override is feasible for your installation. This step is crucial to avoid violations and ensure safe, legal operation. Tesla actively collaborates with major utilities such as Pacific Gas and Electric in California and Hawaiian Electric to streamline the whitelisting process for Powerwall 3 installations. This partnership helps ensure that approved systems can reliably export energy while meeting regional grid requirements. Let's examine real-world examples of Powerwall 3 export fixes. In California, a San Diego homeowner experienced zero export because CTs were installed upside down. After Tesla's Q1 2025 firmware update and guided recalibration, the system began exporting at 7 kilowatts, resulting in $200 monthly savings. In Hawaii, a Maui family faced a 5 kilowatt export cap imposed by Hawaiian Electric. Through Tesla's collaboration with the utility, they obtained approval for limit overrides. This enabled them to export excess energy, reducing grid reliance by 40% during wildfires. These case studies highlight the effectiveness of proper CT alignment and utility limit overrides in resolving export issues. Before calling for professional help, run through this checklist. First, verify CT connections and direction. Second, update Powerwall firmware. Third, check grid export settings in the Tesla app. Fourth, contact your utility to confirm export limits. Fifth, if possible, use an oscilloscope to check waveform alignment. Addressing these fundamentals can often resolve the problem. Looking ahead, the future of grid export involves increasing utility scrutiny and firmware-driven fixes. Tesla may incorporate AI for predictive CT calibration in future Powerwall models. Compatibility with virtual power plants will grow, allowing utilities to remotely adjust export limits. These trends position battery storage as a grid asset. However, cybersecurity will be a growing concern as systems become more interconnected. Experts emphasize the importance of pre-installation diagnostics and standardized utility protocols. While Tesla's fixes are effective, incorrect DIY attempts can cause short circuits. If you're uncomfortable working with electrical systems or have exhausted troubleshooting steps, contact a certified Tesla technician for assistance. Remember to consult Tesla's official app and support channels for the latest updates. This concludes our guide to fixing Powerwall 3 grid export issues.